Buying a new phone these days can feel like a game of how much can you spend. But what if you don't need to break the bank for a great experience? We are talking about the sweet spot, mid-range smartphones. And in this competitive space, one name keeps popping up, the OnePlus Nord series. Being one of the highest selling smartphone lineups for the Chinese brand, the Nord devices offer stylish looks and reliable performance, that too within a budget. OnePlus has now expanded its Nord lineup with two new smartphones. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have with us the new OnePlus Nord CE 5, which is a budget-friendly smartphone but not basic at all. और इस बार Nord CE सीरीज को बैटरी, परफॉर्मेंस और डिजाइन तीनों में सॉलिड अपग्रेड्स मिले हैं. The new OnePlus Nord CE 5 starts at ₹24,999 and is available in 3 colors. The smartphone also features up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Under the hood, the Nord CE 5 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex chipset, which is optimized for stable, high-performance gaming. Whether you are playing BGMI or any other game, it supports 120 FPS gaming and is cooled by a massive 7041mm² vapor chamber. Now let's talk about the battery. The Nord CE 5 packs a 71 mAh battery. Yes, you heard it right, and supports 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. The phone also features bypass charging for gaming and battery health engine to ensure that it lasts longer. OnePlus claims that this phone can run for 2.5 days in a single charge. The phone comes with a large 6.77-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Ultra HDR and Gaming HDR is also supported on this phone. The screen is good enough for both binge watching and gaming. It comes with IP65 rating for water and dust protection, and its storage can also be expanded up to 1 TB with a micro SD card. For photography, this phone features a 50MP Sony LYT600 main sensor with support for RAW HDR, live photos and HDR videos at 4K 60fps. It's also important to note that this is the same RAW HDR algorithm which can be found in the OnePlus 13 flagship series. So that was a quick breakdown of the OnePlus Nord CE 5, massive battery, gaming ready performance, fast charging and a loaded camera system, all at under ₹25,000 without compromising on the looks or design. आपको इस फोन का कौन सा फीचर सबसे ज़्यादा value for money लगा? Let us know in the comment section. And for more tech updates, reviews and comparisons, like this video and subscribe to Gadgets Now.